Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by changing the system DNS that Chrome on iPhone uses. Open Settings and go to Wi-Fi, then tap the Active Networks info icon. Once there, choose Configure DNS and switch from automatic to manual. That step lets you insert custom IP addresses for DNS servers. If you plan to use a secure provider, keep the provider IPs ready. Make sure you are editing the currently connected network, because changes apply per Wi-Fi SSID. Once manual is selected, tap Add Server and type the DNS IP addresses you want. Common options are 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. Remove old entries to avoid conflicts and drag servers to set priority. The top entry is tried first. After adding them, tap Save. Then toggle Wi-Fi off and on or forget and rejoin the network to force the system to use the new DNS. Chrome will now resolve domains using those servers. Because it follows To finish, open Chrome and load a few websites. If pages still fail, clear tabs or force close and reopen Chrome to clear cached failures. Note that cellular data may not use Wi-Fi DNS. Use a DNS over HTTPS app or VPN profile for system-wide DNS on cellular. If something breaks, switch Configure DNS back to automatic, then reapply the correct IPs and reconnect to the network. If problems persist, double-check the DNS addresses and restart the iPhone before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.